All right, I just wanted to make a short video to explain to people who were not clear about what I was asking for the PVC project. Um, I took apart the creation and I lined up all the pieces. So these are the pieces that went into it. This is a ruler showing us how long things are. And so in actuality, there were three, we could call three 8-inch pieces. And there were four 4-inch pieces. And there were two, they look like 3.5-inch pieces, 2 by 3.5. And, I told you I didn't expect you to do 1/2 inches. And I didn't mark you down if you said 3 or if you said 4. I said that we had 5-inch pieces because I was just guessing as well. So I'll show you now right here. This was the table I filled out ahead of time. Uh, 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 these were the answers I was working off of, more or less. But I think seeing the new numbers, right off the ruler, there were 4. It wasn't 5-inch pipe; it was 4-inch pipes, and these were 8-inch pipes, and these were. I'm gonna go ahead and say 3.5. Because that's what it really was. So there actually were 9 pieces of pipe. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. And I didn't ask you to tell me how many pieces there were. I wanted to know the length. So what you kind of had to do was, let's imagine that you had a piece of scratch paper. I'm going to insert a column to the right here. But if we have four pieces of 4-inch pipe, 4 times 4 is 16 inches. And then if we had 3 pieces of 8-inch pipe, that's 24 inches. 3 times 8 is 24. And if we have 2 times 3.5 inches, that's 7 inches of pipe. And then let's add this together. This is 47. So, because 16 plus 24 is 30, 40, and then plus 7 is 7. Yeah. So the actual perfect answer here turns out to be 47, and then 4 elbow joints, 3 T-joints, and 1 end cap. I just wanted you to put the 47 here, and this column I just put here temporarily for, don't want that, I'm going to delete the column for my calculations. So again, I'll show you the picture. I took it all apart, lined up everything, but these were the parts that literally made up the object. If you turned in the project and I told you there was something wrong with your calculations, you can go ahead and update your calculations and resubmit. I think you have to, not turn it in. You have to make a change and then resubmit or something. I'll give you full credit if you fix your document. If you'd already turned it in on time, but I told you there were some problems. I gave a lot of people 8 out of 10 because they didn't do the calculations right. I'm fully willing for you to make the corrections to have it be what I just showed you here, and then you can turn it back in, and I'll give you a 10 out of 10. If you hadn't turned it in yet, you can still turn it in, but you're going to get the late credit, because you only get full credit if you turned it in on time and you did everything. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can send me an email. I just wanted you to see the pieces all taken apart next to the ruler, because there's nothing that speaks clarity like actually seeing it. All right. Thanks. I'm going to turn off the recording.